Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode. It does not really matter on which mode you will be. However, I just wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear after resetting everything. So to reset the options, we have to open this 4 dots icon. So let's tap on them and enter the settings icon. Now we can scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings and tap on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.